Bitcoin is at new all-time highs. We're gonna have a look what is going on here with Bitcoin, guys, because Bitcoin is exploding and of course everything else in the crypto space is also pumping like crazy. So welcome everyone and congratulations to all the hodlers out there. We have been waiting for this big move for a very long time, guys, and now even Ethereum and some other coins are popping up like crazy. And of course we also have major news on all sides basically. So we don't have only Bitcoin pushing nicely to the upside, we have also major news, especially in the altcoin space, guys, and we're gonna have a look into that and why I believe that Bitcoin will pump to $150,000 next. And that doesn't mean that we're gonna stop there. In the opposite, it is very likely that there we're gonna hit some resistance, but then of course also push higher than that. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on this channel, and of course check out all links in the video description, especially to the best exchanges where you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the coins that we are covering in this video today. And of course also new upcoming cryptos that currently are very hyped. Lots of them are pumping nicely as well, not only in the past but also right now that everything is of course also pumping here in the crypto space. I think a big altcoin season is about to come, guys, and that's why I'm buying up also into new upcoming coins, because low market cap coins, of course, they always are performing very well during a bull run. So I'm buying into completely new coins, guys, and we even have a completely new Pump.Fun coin launching very soon, guys. We have a special event going on for this one, so welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed. We have now over 1,000 subscribers on this channel. Our crypto family is growing every day. Make sure to be subscribed here on this channel and of course also in my other channels, X, TikTok, Telegram, Instagram. Sometimes I'm posting also over there. So make sure to be subscribed everywhere basically to don't miss out on future updates. And of course, guys, as I told you in every video, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude here on YouTube sharing my own ideas, my own TA since 2017 with you here in the crypto space, guys. So that's why make sure to be subscribed on this channel and keep that in mind. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude here on YouTube sharing everything with you guys. And so far, of course, everyone that followed me, of course, have done great, hopefully. So congratulations to everyone that took basically every trade with me in the past, and of course also bought into new coins with me and did some nice gains. Of course there is always risk involved, but so far we have done very nicely. And of course also I'm very bullish for new upcoming meme coins, guys, because I think that very soon a big altcoin season will start. And with the start of the altcoin season, of course we're gonna need Ethereum, because Ethereum is the one that is leading, of course, an altcoin season, since Ethereum is still the biggest altcoin out there. After, I mean, Bitcoin is the king, but the second one is Ethereum in terms of market cap. And once this huge market cap is moving, then of course all the other altcoins are also moving. Of course sometimes we see XRP or Solana or others pumping and maybe even front running the markets, but Ethereum is the one that is leading an altcoin season. And that's why we're gonna start now. Before we're gonna start with Bitcoin, we're gonna start with the new upcoming coins, because I'm buying them up, because so far we have been doing great gains with them. And of course I'm always taking early out those profits and in the initial investment, guys, and putting them into those new coins. And we have this token 6,900, which is currently very hyped. You can also invest and stake it with 156% staking rewards. You can see that they're raising a lot of funds in a very short amount of time. So I'm buying into this one. If you want to be following me, then of course the link is in the video description to this new coin. You can also stake it, of course. This is also what I'm doing. Then we have Bitcoin Hyper, we have Snorted token, this new Solana trading bot. And talking about Solana trading bots, guys, there is this Pump.Fun meme coin, or just a native token of Pump.Fun, launching very soon. And I have a very special deal now for you guys, because Maxi Global is gonna use the launch here during this pre-market phase on their launch pad. So you have right now the chance to get on board and buy basically Pump.Fun by basically locking in here some USDTs at a very discounted price. I think like 40% discount you're gonna have here if you are registering right now to Maxi Global with the link in the video description. So you only have that if you sign up right now to Maxi Global. Link is here to this exchange, and then go to the launch pad, because they are going to support here the launch of Pump.Fun, their own tokens. And you can just lock in here some USDTs, and then you basically are like getting into a subscription of those Pump.Fun tokens that you can access immediately at a discounted price. So it should be like 40% discounted price here from the regular listing price of Pump.Fun coin. So take advantage, guys, because I think that with this overall bullishness that we're seeing here in the crypto space, a lot of altcoins will do insane gains. Of course, no promises, guys, always high risk, but if this one is coming out and you know how the hype is big around those Solana meme coins and those Pump.Fun coins as well, then I think this one here, of course, could be also a great coin to hold during this massive bull run that we're going to see most likely here in the next coming weeks and months. Because I think that right now, Bitcoin is entering towards the end of the bull run phase. And this one is most of the times the most powerful one that will lead, of course, also into the cycle top. And that means that also many new meme coins and altcoins also will perform very, very well. And here on Pump.Fun, guys, remember, it's very hard to trade directly here on the website. Therefore, I'm using AutoSnipe. This is a trading bot that is already existing here on this link. You can check it out here. If you go to trading tools and bot links, you see here Pump.Fun Solana trading bot. This is the AutoSnipe tool, this one over here, where basically you can easily trade all those coins and filter it also by, for example, rug pulls or anything like that. So if you're trading here, for example, the trending coins, there is also a filter and a warning sign. If there would be like a rug pull or a scam warning or anything like that, you can directly see that over here as well. So AutoSnipe is a tool that you need in order to trade successfully here on Pump.Fun, because it's very difficult to trade here directly here on the website, since every few seconds new coins are popping up. And here, thanks to this tool, you can really sort it out. Also thanks to Meme Vision, for example, you can check out here the newly created, graduating, and also graduated coins as well. So you can really filter here and trade very easy and successful here, much better than directly through the website. This one is like a tool based on Pump.Fun. So that means that this is kind of a layer 2 on top of Pump.Fun. You're trading directly on Pump.Fun, but you have it here basically much better filtered and a much better overview than going here through this website. So that's why. Check out AutoSnipe with the link in the video description. Participate on this pump event here on Maxi Global. Link is in the video description, of course. And also Snorter is going to be a similar trading bot on top of Solana. And that's why I'm buying also into this one here, because those trading bots on Solana have been doing very good in the last couple of weeks and months. And that's why I think that the Solana hype will come back. And Snorter, of course, has the chance to be a very good trading bot as well, since it is also a meme coin. Alright, guys, so of course Snorterbot is also here one of the most hyped new upcoming coins, and you can access it basically through the links here. Snorter token you can find here, Bitcoin Hyper token 6900, and also here is the link to this trading bot on Solana, so Pump.Fun meme coins, and you also get like a discount on the fees, of course, if you use my links. Alright, guys, so let's dive here straight into the Bitcoin price, because of course right now Bitcoin is shining, and with Bitcoin, of course, most of the altcoins are pumping, but not everywhere we are seeing new all-time highs yet, only on Bitcoin. And now we are so close to reach $120,000. I think that's very likely incoming very soon. We're gonna have a look into some indicators right now, guys. Of course, everything is still pointed to the upside. My indicators, still no sell signal flashing. I mean, since that buy signal here, we're just pumping like crazy to the upside, and so far we don't have any kind of signals that eventually we're gonna stop here and see a pullback before we most likely head higher. So I think that the $120,000 level is about to come. And now I want to pull out here a very interesting indicator, guys, which is, of course, let me zoom out here a little bit because we're going to need that. So first of all, we're going to have a look into the global M2 money supply. That is one of the main reasons why I was so bullish in the last couple of weeks and months, because here you can see this white line. This is the global M2 money supply. And you can see that currently we're moving according to that. And if, for example, this pump here that we just have seen here is this one over here, then we should expect that the Bitcoin price could eventually go all the way up here towards $122,000, then maybe come down to retest the new support at $115,000, and then continue here with this parabolic bull run and to the upside, and of course see much higher levels then. Because if we have a look, if we adjust it here, if we squeeze it here a bit into my screen, something like this, you can see here, more or less it's one-on-one. You can see that at the end, Bitcoin should not only reach $150,000 here, maybe also here getting rejected and then push higher, but it should be reaching like $171,000, $180,000, something like that. If we would just purely one-on-one go to the M2 money supply. But not only this one here is telling us that Bitcoin will go to much higher levels or to potentially those levels. Also here, the Bitcoin rainbow chart is an indicator that I'm watching out very, very closely always, because here you can see that we are hitting now this resistance here, this yellow line here from the rainbow chart, and this one is at $118,000. Once we have daily and weekly closes above it, I believe that we're gonna shoot up straight towards the purple line up here at 145k, because this is also where we got rejected so far. So if we zoom out here a bit, you can see that here we got rejected at around 66k at this purple line. Then we had a crash, we came back up to the purple line, here again at 107k, got rejected, came down to the blue line, and now we have another pump, and the purple one is up here at 145k, and that doesn't mean that we're gonna stop here. In the opposite, if we would continue to go above the purple line, so if we would see like daily, weekly, monthly closes above 145k, we could see a nice rally towards the upper orange line at 191k, and eventually even go higher towards the red one up here at $240,000 per Bitcoin. Because the rainbow chart is a very powerful chart, guys, or indicator. You can see that every time we touch the red zone up here, that was the cycle top for Bitcoin. So this rainbow chart is a very, very powerful tool, in my opinion, and something that we don't have to disregard, because also based on other indicators, stock to flow, pi cycle indicator, and so on, everything is pointing out that somewhere up here we could see the cycle top of this year, of this bull run, probably this year. I expect still like October, November, something like that, maybe even December, and then maybe start a bear market or something like that. But until then, Bitcoin will go to a very parabolic phase here, and usually Bitcoin is moving very, very fast without bigger pullbacks whenever we're entering into this parabolic phase. That's why, guys, be subscribed here, because we're gonna face a very, very, very exciting time, and I think Bitcoin will do crazy stuff here, and together with Bitcoin, of course, also most of the altcoins. We're gonna cover that, the Ethereum, Tron, Solana, Ordinals, Trump, Pepe, Doge, Mudang, and so on. We're gonna cover them in future videos, guys, so be subscribed. I cannot pack everything in one video, so that's why be subscribed. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna update you on that, but I think that Bitcoin will go to those price levels that I mentioned in this video, so make sure to be subscribed here. Thank you for watching. Crazy times ahead. Congratulations to the hodlers, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.